Welcome to NetSuite ERP Foundation e-Learning Series Volume 1. You are in the first volume of an 8-volume e-learning series. In this module, we will go through what is cloud computing and the different types of cloud deployment models. We will also go through the different types of cloud services, vendors providing these services, and the differences between them. I will also take you through the difference between the on-premise and cloud computing model and their benefits. And finally, we will start with the NetSuite company introduction and the unified business management applications provided by NetSuite at a high level. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet and remote servers to store, process, and manage the data and the applications. You can use the internet either in public or in private network. Data and applications can be accessed from anywhere, anytime using your desktop, laptop, smartphones or tablets or any other smart devices. Cloud computing delivers on-demand hardware, computing resources, and software applications as a services on a pay-as-you-use model. Cloud computing services are elastic, and you can scale up or down your computing resources anytime based on your business requirements. The companies which offer the cloud services are called the cloud service providers. Normally, the cloud service providers have the ability to manage the applications, data, network, and other computing resources through a global network. Also, they own and maintain the hardware, storage, system software required for providing different cloud services to the customers. The cloud computing deployment model can be public, private, or hybrid. The cloud services can be infrastructure-based or provide a platform and tools for software development and deployment, or they can provide software applications as a service. There are many global and local vendors in cloud computing deployment and providing services. Some of the prominent vendors include Oracle Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and IBM Cloud, beside many software vendors who provide their applications in the cloud on a software as a service model. A cloud deployment model is defined according to where the infrastructure for the deployment resides and who has control over that infrastructure. Deciding on which deployment model you will go with is one of the most important cloud deployment decisions the customer has to make. Each cloud deployment model satisfies different organizational needs. So it is important that you choose a model that will satisfy the needs of your or the client organization. Perhaps even more important is the fact that each cloud deployment model has a different value proposition and different costs associated with it. Therefore, in many cases, your choice of a cloud deployment model may simply come down to data security, criticality of the applications, and commercials. In any case, to make an informed decision, you need to be aware of the characteristics of each cloud deployment at a high level. Let us now look at what is a private cloud deployment. True to its name, a private cloud is typically a hardware and computing resources infrastructure used by a single organization. It is like maintaining your own data center. Private cloud exists on a private network. Such infrastructure may be managed by the organization by itself to support the various user groups, or it could be outsourced to third-party managed services vendor. Private clouds are more expensive than the public clouds. However, the private clouds are deployed to address the sensitivity of the application, data security, privacy concerns and compliance requirement of the business and the local government. There are many vendors in this segment. Some of the leading vendors in the private cloud space includes Oracle, Microsoft, IBM Cloud, VMware, Amazon Web Services. Now, let us look at how a public cloud deployment model works. As the name suggests, this type of cloud deployment supports customers who want to make use of a shared computing resource like hardware, operating system, CPU, memory, storage, application server or application software on a subscription basis. They are in a public network, and each customer data and applications are secured. The cloud computing resource and services are stored in a remote central server and are accessed by the customer over the internet. The hardware, software, computing resources are owned and managed by the cloud service provider. The customers are governed by the permission and access to data and application are managed by the cloud service provider. The cloud service provider along with the application vendor ensure the security and integrity of the data for all the customers through their multi-tenancy architecture. Some of the vendors who provide public cloud service include Google, MS Azure, Oracle Cloud and IBM. Some of the software vendors like NetSuite, Salesforce, Oracle, Microsoft also provide their business applications over the public cloud. And finally, let us look at hybrid cloud deployment model and how it works. As many analysts point out, hybrid model has taken the cloud computing deployment to the next level. Customers who are hesitant to move into cloud model due to data security reasons and criticality of the applications, it is best of both worlds for them. In a hybrid cloud deployment model, an organization makes use of both private and public cloud infrastructure. Many organizations make use of this model when they need to scale up their IT infrastructure rapidly or run their critical or sensitive applications. For example, the organization can keep some of their applications like travel expenses, project time booking, human resource, Salesforce automation applications or any web-based applications in the public cloud. They can keep their critical or sensitive applications like core manufacturing, supply chain and demand planning, loan application management systems in the private cloud. Data between private and public clouds can be exchanged using the application programming interface or through the data connectors. Many vendors provide hybrid cloud services both locally and globally. Some of the prominent vendors in this category includes Oracle, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, Google and more.